Okay, students, let us start our session on Android Studio, working with Android Studio. Today, here in this session, I'll be just continuing with my slideshow and showing you actually how is the working environment of Android Studio. I am now presently in Android Studio. Whenever you are there in Android Studio, generally it opens up with the previous project which is there. This is the previous project which is opened up. Now, if you want to open a new project, obviously you go to File and open a new project. Whenever a new project is opened up, it will start with phone and tablet, and then if other designs are there like wearables, Android TV or anything, you should shift this here. But anyway, I will work with phone and tablets or smartphones, hence I choose it is there in phone and tablets, and then I will choose empty activity. Please choose empty activity and then click next. Click next. Once you click next, you will shift into next window where here you are supposed to mention your project name. First, name of your project, and then your company name. Company name here. Otherwise, you leave it blank. It will take it as an example. Then folder location where you want to save the things. And then here language which is there. Now latest version Kotlin also is possible. Otherwise, it is Java. Hence, let me choose Java because Java is a language by which I am writing. Then here minimum SDK level or API level which you are choosing. Generally, it can be somewhere in 2021 so that it can reach maximum number of devices. You can see here the app can reach 94.1% of devices. Let it be API level 21 I am choosing. And then click finish. Once you click it finish, you will log into the project window. Okay, I have already there in the project window. I am not clicking this finish because it will take some time to load the project. I'm already there in the project window. Let me explore this project. There are mainly two folders under Android. Under Android, there are two main folders. One is app, another is Gradle. Gradle. I'm not dealing with this. Now, presently, the app which is there now, it is having three main folders. One is Manifest. Second is Java. The third is Resources. Okay. Presently, manifest file I am not dealing because manifest file is it will create APK files while you publish the app. Hence, I am not dealing with this now. Right now, presently Java folder, whatever is there, Java folder, it is having our activity residing. That means if you click this first folder subfolder, you will see that main activity. Double click on that, you will get the Java program. Okay, this is the Java program which is there. It is the heart or core of your app, where activity will be say action will be done. Hence, main activity Java program, whatever is there, that defines your app, that defines my app. Anyway, I just show you other folder structures also. Okay, now the second very important is here resources. Please come into resources. There are four. The four subfolders are: first is drawable, second is layout, third is map, and four is values. Okay, in this, very importantly, drawable and layout and values. Okay, drawable, layout and values. Let me explore those subfolders. Okay, first is drawable. The drawable will be having the JPG files, so that whatever drawings that are required or images that are required in your app will reside in drawable folder. Next, the layout. Okay, next is layout. if you can click on layout, there is one file called as activity_main.xml. okay, this is the very important, or you can say that it's a body. Okay, it's the body of your app. Body of your app. If you click on this, if you click on this, double click on this, you will go into a window. Double click on this, you will go into a window, which is the design window. Which is the design window. Let me explore this, but before that I will tell about the values also. See, the values folder will be consisting of all the colors that are used in app as well as the strings that are used in app. Hence, these two colors and strings which are present in the app will sit in values folder. Later I will explore that. Now let me go into activity underscore main XML file, which is the shape or body of your app. Here is the app. Now mainly come to this point where there is coding section, split or design. Whenever you click on design, the design will be shown. Whenever you click on code, it will show all the code corresponding to your design. This is an XML file. Now you can be there in split window also, coding as well as the design. Whenever you are there in design, this window consisting of all the palettes or views which are required. You can, suppose you want a button, you drag and drop it here, like that. It is drag and drop system will be there. Hence you can build your design with the help of drag and drop whenever you are there in the design point. If you want to build your design with the help of coding, you can code XML and you can build the design. Hence there are two possibilities. One is you just drag and drop it, otherwise code it. Like this you can build the design. Hence first point is there is a Java file as well as there is a activity_main file. You can move between these from here. Say you are now in the Java file, correct? Now you are there in the activity file. You can shift here also. In activity there are two possibilities, mainly one is coding, another is design. Whenever you are there in design, you can drag and drop these widgets and you can build the design. If you can accustom with this, say movement from one file to another file as well as the folder structure, it will be very helpful for you to quickly build your project. Okay, hence 1 or 2 days you need to spend with this main window of your project so that you are knowing all these points. Okay, I hope you just practice this. Then let me start with the first experiment. Okay, that is a visiting card app. Okay, visiting card app. I will just stop this. I will be posting next with first experiment. Okay, thank you.